There, now you can see. Look at this fool. In the water dish that I put out. He's got all of his feet in the water dish. You goofy. You silly thing. He's all up in it. With all his paws. Oh my goodness gracious.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. You're a divorced woman now. What is next in your life?
I don't know, Ma. Everything's falling apart. Maybe I'll become a life
Yeah, you. What do you think you're up to, huh?
Yes, why not?
He's so adorable. Don't you do it. Don't get back in there.
You know what? You're coming with me.
Where are we going?
I need to pick something up at the store.
I don't want to go to
Oh,
the fun
here he
line.
goes.
You can stay here with Mom.
I'll get my bag.
I don't understand. Why do they do this? He is a silly thing. Oh my goodness. Something else. What'd you look at? What's out there? Huh? Something else. Look at him with a foot in the water. What are you? He's washing the food. Oh my goodness. I just don't understand why he does this. Why does he have to sit in the water? I understand that they grab the food and then they wash it off in the water or whatever, but like, why are his feet in the water? You goofy. I'm just happy to see it alive, Raccoon. Sweet thing.